What's up? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna get a little creative. So I've been working on these little blocks with these mini canvases on some like mini nebula explosion pieces that I've been working on. I've got a couple of them posted on my Instagram page, but this is something I want to turn into a different art piece. So I enjoy these, but I'm not gonna just put these up on the wall separately like this. Yes, it could look nice, but I got something I want to try. I went to Michael's, and again I found something. This was like 14 bucks. It's one of these things you just buy and hang. It's a blank canvas. It's a blank structure that I can use definitely in this piece that I'm going to be working on, and I'm going to make what do you call it, a montage. Let's get stuck in it. Hold on, wait, is it a montage? Basically it's a bunch of shit together. Yeah, okay, so I just fact checked myself. That's my wife basically, and it's not a montage because that's like videos and a bunch of videos together. So this is going to be a collage of my mini nebulas as a single piece of art. Hope that's clear. Sweet. Okay, so now that we got English out the way, let's get stuck into creating more of these so we can make the collage. I'm keen. Look at all these. I got so much to do. Better start cracking on. Okay, so I'd say the project's coming together pretty well. Every single one of the little squares are done, and I've got a bunch of different colors, so that it doesn't look like it's one like merging color piece. I want it to be a good collage of a mix of colors. And the next part of the project is to spray all of these down with a clear gloss coat before I glue it all down and have it ready to rock and roll for a final piece reveal. Now that most of those are coated off with a clear gloss, I'm gonna focus on the backboard. I need to sand down certain areas, kind of touch it up so it's a little bit fixed up, because I just bought that from Michael's and it's not in the best looking condition. So I'm just gonna get it cleaned up and then think about how I'm gonna get all these mini canvases glued onto the back of the board.
Okay, what we're gonna do now is, hold on.
Okay, so what we're gonna do now is just treat the wood. I've cleaned it up with some alcohol, treat the wood, get it to a nice color, let it dry, and then we're gonna build this thing. Okay, so honest opinion, what do you guys think about this piece? It took me quite a while, a couple of days, almost a week just to get it done. I'm trying to film. It took me about like 7 days to get this thing done, and I'm glad I finished it off and put it together for a video. I could have just made it without filming, but I figured, hey, I want to film. So also make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment so it helps the algorithm. It's super important. She's making fun of me. Oh, did you get it? The next piece is gonna be pretty cool too, because I'm gonna be sending it to Miami, and that's gonna be the radio piece, so stay tuned for that.